This tutorial show you how to use method in practice. So we are going back to previous tutorials, number 7, 11, 15, 19, 26. Then we will convert some of the functions to methods. So let me create a new project, this time without main class. So I have a project number 29. Let me copy previous source code. Rectangle app, copy. Say copy. Even though it's on the paste, it's a copy. So this example is show you how to calculate area and parameter of rectangle. So here we are going to do two methods. One is calculate area, another one is calculate parameter of a rectangle. Again, we are using public modifier. So let me just name it. The other one is calculate parameter. So let me make it maybe rectangle. Okay, make it clear. Calculate area of rectangle methods. That is op. So public static, we are expecting no return types. I think we are expecting return types. So I will say return type is supposed to be double. And we need two formal parameters, width and height. Then formula is straightforward, width and height. Then we can return that result. So I change to 0.0. Then area is depends on methods. They will return double value. We need to provide two actual parameter or arguments, width and height. Let's look at the second one. Again, public static, we are expecting double. So calculate parameter. Again, we have two formal parameters. Then we are expecting return type based on the formula. We change to 0.0. So the parameter is based on that return value of the calculate parameter methods with two arguments, width and height. You may need to clean and build projects and then compile, then you can run it. 20 and 24. So let me just quickly double check. This one is 10 and 2, or 10.0 and 2.0. and the multiplication should be 10 multiplied by 2, so 20, which is correct. And then here is going to be same 10, 2, so 10 plus 2 multiplied by 2. So answer is supposed to be 24. Let's continue with the next exercise. So Java application 11 in my case, copy and then paste to Java application 29. Yours might be slightly different. So package name should be 29. So let me create a package so that you can group your applications together on the same package name or subdirectory. Go to new package name, use the same name, Java application 29, finish. Then you can drag and drop those two source code, refactor, so that we move those two source code on the package name called Java application 29 without breaking source code. So here we can see that the process has one statement that can be changed to methods. Again, we are expecting return type, double return type. Into kilograms. Try to use something meaningful. Name. We need one parameter, pounds. We can return the value according to that formula. I think that's it. And here we change to initial value. Then kilograms based on return value of convert pounds into kilograms methods. That has one argument, which is pound. So if it's 10, it's going to return 0.454 multiplied by 10. That should be 4.54. Again, clean and build, compile, then you can run your program. Okay, let's look at next exercise, number 14. In my case, copy, code it as a paste and copy. Open it and then change the Java package name to be 29. So this exercise is about convert feet into meters. So if you look at line number 36, that is a part of a process. It can be changed to a methods. Again, meters is a double data type. So we have one formal parameter. Also, we actually have another formal parameter happen to be constants. We can actually declare constants with these methods, but for now we can keep it as it is. So meter is based on return type, return value of these methods. Again, clean and build project. So if you type number 10, it's going to give you 3.05. That's correct. Let's move to the next exercise. Again, I will copy, paste it. This is about shipping cost. I will change the package name to be 29. So when I look at here, the process has two components, getting a standard input for weight and then calculation for shipping cost. So let me focus on calculations as a method. Again, weight and the cost is returned as a double. Depends on one formal parameter, which is weight, double weight. Okay, let me just copy or cut, paste it here. So return the cost. Again, we need to introduce a local variable for these methods. So that's the one missing. Don't forget that is actually a local variable for this calculate cost methods. So it's not visible outside these methods. So we are looking for cost. So if I go back to line number 43, cost is based on return value of these methods, and we need one argument which is a weight that is depends on input from user using standard input device, in this case keyboard. So if it's 5 kilograms, that's going to be $8.5. So $8.50 according to the formula. Okay, let's move to last exercise, which is 25. In my case, yours might be slightly different. Again, you may need to change the package name to be 29. So this exercise is about find the learning sum, and then it will repeat according to solution number 2, it will repeat 5 times. So it means if you enter 5 numbers, it's going to add those 5 numbers together. For example, if you add 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, it's going to return sum of them, which is 150. Again, here 5 times. Static. Then again we need return value, which is total integer. A bit strange, but it's int. These particular ones, we don't have to have a formal parameter. So let me paste it. We need a local variable I inside the for loop. And then we need another variable called number. We are expecting integer value, so int number. Initial value 0. Local variables, you must initialize it, so have to put 0. And then we have a scanner object. So system in, you can it will allow us to use the standard input device. And then again we need the total. Sorry, that should be 0, not 0.0. It's an integer. And then we need return type. Sorry, return value, which is total. So instead of removing them, I will make a comment. Then next line, I will repeat the same comments. For loop with a methods. This time we are using find learning number that will return integer value to total. Then print it out for output. Clean and build and then compile and run it. So we need to type 5 numbers. So 150, that is correct. Let me make one change. It says find the learning number. Actually learning sum. So let me change. Other than that, everything is same. I think that's all. Please practice. Then that's all. Thank you.